Hey guys, welcome back to your own channel Tech Insight. So today I am back with very interesting jobs for freshers, especially for the UI part. So whoever is looking for the front end jobs, this video is for you. The very first job is for front end. Second one is for associate software engineer, then for technical analyst, then for technical consultant, then from Amazon for software development engineer and so on. So make sure guys you watch the full video. Share this video with someone who is in need of the job because sharing is caring. So let's start our video guys. The very first job is from Xenon Stack Careers. They are hiring for front end and UI testing trainee and the location will be Chandigarh. So guys ये रहा apply button, link रहेगी description में, जल्दी से apply कर देना. And the responsibilities include testing and management, making sure the best coding practices and all. You can read by pausing this video or by either clicking on the link. And the knowledge of front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery isn't required, and GitHub and Bitbucket, etc. is also required. So quickly I'll tell you about the education. Technical graduates is only acceptable such as BCA, BSc, BTech and MSc and MTech with programming skills 0 to 2 years of experience. Freshers लोग इसको बिल्कुल अप्लाई कर देना. Again a very good job. Here is the apply button. Moving on to the next job. It is from ServiceNow company. Again a very good company and they're hiring for associate software engineer for the location Hyderabad. And here we can see that 0 to 2 years of work experience in software development. That means freshers can apply, go and apply it as soon as possible. Experience with Java, OOPS, design pattern, experience with DB such as Oracle, MySQL, and also front-end technologies such as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Here is the I am interested button और guys इस जॉब को जल्दी अप्लाई कर दें. तीसरा जॉब है from MCAT and the company name is OnGraph Technologies, hiring for technical analyst. Package is 3 lakh per annum. Location will be Noida. Here is the apply button. So desired experience is completely freshers. में BE, BTech चाहिए, CSIT, EC, BCA और MCA में. And for 10th and 12th graduation 60% and above is required. Target batch is 2020 and 2021. Probation period is 6 months and the package is 3 lakh, which I have already told. So skills इसमें लगेंगी. Core Java must है, Core Logic कोडिंग स्किल्स, जावास्क्रिप्ट, एचटीएमएल, सीएसएस, जावास्क्रिप्ट. सो अभी हमने जितनी भी जॉब डिस्कस की है सबका स्किल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है. And education is BE, BTech, BC, MCA. Now the next job is from MCAT and the company name is Edurica, which you will be aware of. They require technical consultant and the package is 1.8 lakh per annum, which is not a very good package. Location is Bangalore and the experience range is 0 to 1 years. नीचे जाके देखते हैं. So course specialization includes BE, BTech, CSIT, MCA. Target batch is 2019 and 2020. There is no bond in this job and we'll see the responsibilities which include 0 to 1 years of experience in software development. That means freshers and experienced person can apply for this job. Passion to learn and explore new and emerging technologies such as big data, NoSQL, mobile, social cloud analytics and all. So it is for a very good technology, but again though salary is very less. But guys, don't see salaries in your initial years. Just learn the work. Desired skill is BE, Tech, MCA, MSc Computer Science, excellent programming skills, knowledge of any technology such as Java, JEE, Python, Scala, Hadoop, R, Cloud, Spark is required. So guys, you can apply for this job if your skill matches the requirement. Again, apply it as soon as possible, otherwise the link will be expiring soon. Now the next job is from a very good company called Amazon, hiring for software development engineer. Here's the apply button. This is the location, that is Hyderabad. Going down, you can see that basic qualification includes programming experience with at least one modern programming language such as Java, C++, C Sharp. Knowledge of Java frameworks such as Spring Hibernate is a must, and knowledge of AWS cloud technologies will be preferable. So you can apply for this job by clicking on this apply button. Share this video with all the friends who are searching jobs. Now the next job is from HDFC Career and they have come up with a banking course in which you need to pay some amount and after that you will get a job. I'll make a different video on this topic which will cover all the requirements. Now meanwhile, what you can do, you can click this link in the description and you can by yourself read all these things such as future bank program, HDFC program, about objectives, and you can make your decision. And tomorrow I'll be coming up with the full description of this video. Now the next job is from DevRev. They are hiring for software developer, new university graduate program. Here is the apply button. So now let's see that what is their requirement. Minimum qualification includes bachelor's or master degree in computer science or related technical field or equivalent practical experience. So the requirement is in C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Golang or Python. Preferred qualification includes the same thing. Now this is their culture and here is the application form which you can fill it, attach attach your resume and you can click on the submit button in order to apply for this job. Now the next job is from Tata Communication, hiring for engineer, platform planning and design, and it is for the location Pune. So I can see here is education qualification requirement is engineer experience is 0 to 4 years. That means only engineers can apply for this job, and freshers as well as 4 years of experience person can also apply. So the requirement you can read by pausing this video, such as 2G, 3G, 4G, DSL, radio frequency. Now the next job is from Wipro Careers, hiring for core Java developer. Here is the apply button, and these all the skills are in requirement, such as DBMS, Red Hat, JBoss, EAS, Apache, hands-on working knowledge of L2 troubleshooting on SSL component. So you can apply for the job, but the only thing is it is for 3+ years of experience person. Now the next job is from Cadence. They are hiring for interns. So it is an intern job. Whoever is searching for intern job, it is for you. Hiring for software engineer. Location is Noida, and the apply button is given down below. You should be BE Tech or MEM Tech graduate, and the tenure is for 11 months. So for this you should be having fresh engineering graduates in electronics or computer science, good digital analog skills, strong analytics and problem solving skills, excellent algorithm skills for this job by clicking on this apply button. Now the next job is from Qualcomm, hiring for software engineer, data services, advanced routers. Location is Hyderabad. Here's the apply button. Going down we can see the requirements, which includes bachelor's in computer engineering or computer science, or preferred is master's computer engineering or computer science. So here you need to design, develop, unit test, debug or cellular networks related to device drivers and services in Windows and Linux environment, knowledge of C, C++, embedded programming, knowledge of OS concept, knowledge of TCP/IP technology, device driver, etc. So minimum qualification requirement is 1+ years of experience with programming language such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Certification and skills. So there is one more column, that is preferred qualification, which includes work experience. Again, 1+ years of experience working in large matrix organization, 1+ years of experience with API, 1+ years of experience with database management system. So guys, if you think that your skill matches, you can apply for the job. Again, Qualcomm is very good for paying, and it is a very renowned company. Now the last job for today is from Optum United Health Group. They are hiring for software engineer for the location Hyderabad. Here is the apply button. Going down we can see that their required qualification is undergraduate degree or equivalent experience, that is BE Tech person can apply for a job. Strong skills in COBOL, DB2, JCL, strong experience in production support in mainframe applications. So this job is for someone who is searching for the mainframe technology to switch on. So this job is for you, and you can share this video with the required candidates. Here is the apply button. So that's all for today guys. I hope you are liking these kind of videos. If you do so, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to make a video on some particular topic, comment it down below. Do share this video with maximum of your friends, because sharing is caring. I thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.